Hello there, welcome to the Gist Unplugged TV Live. On the Gist today, Princess fires back at veteran actress Ijesha for comment on Baba Ijesha case. Let's check out the story.
Yeah. To whoever is seeing this, good evening. I want this video, I want you to, if you can, post it. Yeah, if you can. Now, it's no longer news that I and my family have been going through hell. That's no longer news. I mean, everybody loni kadarate, bolon she sopo mashele, but I'm doing this video because of Mama Rainbow. I just saw her interview with BBC or BBC Yoruba just now, and Mama Rainbow ojú gbà mí tì fún yín kí n ṣe abiyamọ gidi. Mo regret pé mo ever respect yín. Mo regret pé mo ever mú yín, mo ever rí yín bí ìyá bí grandma. Ẹ ń sọ pé ẹ fi ọjọ́ mẹ́rin pè mí, ẹ̀yin sọ fún mi pé kémi jọ, ní pé èmi ò dá yín lóhùn, ní pé èmi pé ṣe bóun nìyẹn, ṣe bọ́ ti release. And now, for your information, tí ẹ bá mọ̀, ẹ kàn lẹ pè mí. And then you called me maybe 4 days before. Meanwhile, you called me when somebody was in police custody, telling me ní pé kí n lọ release and you instruct me, and I never disrespected you. I even took my time láti ṣàlàyé fún yín pé kí ló dé tẹ́ fi pè. Ẹ ní pé ó pè yín, ní pé Ijesha pè yín lálẹ́ yẹn, pó ní kẹ́ jọ̀ọ́ kẹ́ bá òun bẹ̀ mí pé òun ti ṣẹ̀ mí, pé aláàánú mi ni, aláàánú òun ni mo jẹ́. Mo wá béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín, mo ní Mama Rainbow, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mà, mo ní ṣé ó sọ nǹkan tó ṣe fún yín, ẹni kò ṣàlàyé pé but tó fi lè pè yín yẹn ó rò pé ó yẹ kẹ́ lè bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Kódà ìgbà tẹ́ pè mí gan ẹ̀ ń sọ pé ṣé mo mọ ẹni tó ń sọ̀rọ̀. Mo ní mo ní nọ́mbà yín màmá, ẹ wà shocked. Mo ní mo ní nọ́mbà yín náà because ìyálẹ̀ jẹ́ sí gbogbo wa. Mo ní nọ́mbà yín. Mo wá sọ fún yín pé nǹkan báyìí báyìí ló ṣe. Ìgbà tí mò ń sọ fún yín ẹ ń gbọ́n lórí fóònù tẹ́ ní ẹ máa mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó pọ̀ báyìí ni kíní kan ẹ tí ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tẹ́ máa sọ. Ẹ ní kí n jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run, ẹ ní pé kí n send àdírẹ́sì ilé mi sí yín. Ìgbà tó di ọjọ́ kẹta ẹ pè mí, ẹ sọ pé ẹ lọ́rọ̀ tí mo sọ fún yín yẹn ẹ ló dùn yín gan, ní pé then ẹ rí pé my mind was not okay. I was crying, I was not myself. You now asked me ní pé I should send my address so that you will come and see me. You were not feeling good about ẹ tí ẹ mọ̀ pé nǹkan tó ṣe le tó yẹn. I sent you the address, you never came. No, you never came. You didn't come because kò kàn yín. Ẹ wò pé mi ṣá kì í ṣe ọmọ yín. Ṣé bí àwọn ọmọ ẹbí mo ti yín Mama Rainbow, ẹbí ọmọ ti yín. Just ìgbà tí Instagram page ọmọ yín ní problem. Instagram nìkan ni o that he used to reach his fans. Mo rí bẹ́ ṣe jáde, please follow my son, he's paid. Ọmọ yín nìyẹn, ẹ mọ ọmọ tí yín tọ́jú, bọ́ nítorí mi jí ọmọ lọ́mọ. Ẹ pè mí, ẹ ń sọ fún mi pé kí n lọ release èèyàn tó wà ní police custody for a crime. Mo dẹ̀ tí mi tún bínú, I was crying that day, I was not happy. Mo tún ṣàlàyé fún yín, ẹ wá ń pretend, àṣẹ ń pretend ni. Mama Rainbow, ẹ ń pretend lórí fóònù bí pé abiyamọ ni yín. Ẹ ń gbọ́n, ẹ ń sọ gbogbo ẹ̀ pé ẹ máa ṣẹ́ tí wá lè mí dè ní ó tì. Ǹjẹ́ ẹ ti pè mí lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn wípé pẹ̀lẹ́ ọkọ mi, pẹ̀lẹ́ Ọlọ́run mà ní jẹ́ ẹ pè mí o, ìyẹn number 2. Ẹ wá ń sọ pé ní court èmi sọ pé ń bo lẹ́yìn wà, ẹ jọ máa ṣẹ́ wà ń bẹ̀. Àgbàlagbà ni yín, nǹkan tí ojú yín ò bá tó kò yẹ kẹ́ máa sọ. Mo wà ní court, mo máa béèrè pé ibo ló ń gbà, èmi máa béèrè pé ibo ló ń gbà jáde lẹ́yìn court. Why? Nítorí kíni? Nítorí mo ṣẹ̀. Ẹni tó gbé cocaine tó jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ yín tó gbé cocaine tó mú ẹjọ́ ṣé ẹ̀yin sì torí ẹ̀ lọ gbanú kọ̀rọ̀. Mo béèrè wo Mama Rainbow. No. Almost you can just imagine Mama Rainbow that I held in high esteem. You can ọmọ lọ́mọ ló ṣe ránṣẹ́ dé tòrùtòrù. Mama Rainbow, ìbá jẹ́ pé mi jí ọmọ yín, pé ọmọ yẹn jẹ́ ọmọ yín, ẹ̀yin ìbá ti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣe kọ́kọ́ fi igi kẹ́ fi gún ọmọ yín lójú kẹ́ tó fi gún ọmọ ẹyẹ. Ẹ ṣe gbàdúrà ẹ̀ fúnra yín ná pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ yín kẹ́ tó ro irú ẹ̀ sí mi. Mi ò expect ẹ̀ sí yín rárá. Mo lè má dákẹ́ o, mo lè má dákẹ́ because nǹkan tó ń ṣe mí mi gbàdúrà fún ẹ fún ọ̀tá mi. Mo dákẹ́ títorí pé mo believe pé justice will be served. Mo dákẹ́ títorí pé mo believe ní pé everything hidden will come to light. Mo dákẹ́ títorí pé I'm going through a lot of pains and I will not wish it on my enemy. Mi ò dákẹ́ títorí yín, Mama Rainbow. Ẹ wá jáde. Ẹ wá wà so insensitive láti máa sọ pé ẹ̀yin bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ pé kó má jẹ́ kọ́rọ̀ yẹn dariwo. Láàrin èmi àti yín níjọ́ tẹ́ pè mí, mo bi yín pé báwo lẹ ṣe gbọ́, ẹ lóhùn ló pè yín. Ẹ ṣe béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́rọ̀ kẹ́ tó máa ṣáájú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀dẹ́pẹ̀ẹ́dẹ́. Ṣẹ́yìn ò mọ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní àgbà tí ò bá ṣẹ́nu kò sọ̀rọ̀ ó máa kẹtàn sáré ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo sọ fún yín, mi ò wá sọ́rí láti pa, ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ àgbà ni mí. Ẹni tó pè yín pé kẹ́ bẹ̀ mí, nígbà tó pè yín pé kẹ́ bẹ̀ mí, ṣó pè yín ó sọ fún yín pé àná náà mú mi síbi ó tì. Èèyàn tó wà ní àtìmọ́lé tó jẹ́ pé for the first few days tó fi wá bẹ̀ mí gan ni mò ń sit to welfare. Tẹ́ pè mí bóyá a week later tẹ́ sọ fún mi pé Princess Joy ó ní kí n bẹ̀. Mo ní kí ló sọ pé òun ṣe. You called me. Shokoti called me. Ọlá Ìyá Igwe called me. Olasco called me. Ṣé bí industry yẹn ṣe tóbi tó, ṣé máa sọ pé mi mọ̀ àwọn people yìí? Wọ́n pè mí. Wọ́n kọ́ sẹ́ àwọn ní káwọn bẹ̀bẹ̀. Nígbà tí mo sọ nǹkan tó ṣe, wọ́n ò lè pè mí padà. Ẹ wá lọ ń sọ pé how can you say that to me, Iya Rainbow? Why? Don't ever. Ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá ti kàn mí, Iya Rainbow, just stay away from it. Because I used to respect you up until this evening. Mo wo. It's a shame. It's a shame. If I have a proper upbringing to know that you are supposed to respect your elders, but I also have a proper upbringing and I'm a rooted Christian to know that Bíbélì ṣe sọ pé ká bọ̀wọ̀ fún àwọn òbí wa. Bíbélì ní do not annoy, do not anger your children. If I were your child, will you come to me and say I should go and release somebody that is in police custody for a crime that they are investigating, and then you go online, you start talking? Were you there? Were you in court? Were you with me when I was in court? Must you talk about what you don't see? Is it compulsory? Iya Rainbow, ṣé àgbàlagbà kọ́ ni yín mọ́ ni? Àgbàlagbà kọ́ ni yín? Tí ṣe nǹkankan rí ní kékeré tẹ̀yìn gangan pàápàá tó yẹ pé ìwà tẹ́ wù táwọn èèyàn bá gbọ́ ọ máa sọ. Kò sí internet nígbà tí internet bá wà, most of you bóyá gan lèèyàn á lè yàrá yín ní méjì 5 kọ́bọ̀. Iya Rainbow, you called me. You collected my home address. Have you come? Ẹ sọ pé àbí mo ní grandma mo lè ṣe gan. Mo nínú mi dẹ́dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe pé. Ẹ gba address lé mi, ẹ jọ ṣẹ wá. Ó tì, ẹ gbà nítorí àbòsí tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe. Ẹ gbà nítorí ọ̀tẹ̀ àti ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn tí ẹ fẹ́ sọ. Ẹ wá dúró, ẹ sọ láàrin ibi tó mọ. Àárín àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ti ń sọ, wọ́n ti sọ fún mi, èmi ò dáhùn. Mo wò pé ọ̀rọ̀ àhesọ ni ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ni. If Mama Rainbow tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi lẹ́yìn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ mi níbi ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀yìn ni, ìpàkọ́ ògbọ́sùtì, orí ẹlẹ́gàn ló bàjẹ́. But ẹ wá jáde. Lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ti sọ lẹ́yìn, ẹ ṣe wá sọ níwájú. Ẹni ṣe bó nìyẹn ṣe bọ́ ti fi sílẹ̀. Who are you, Mama Rainbow? You are supposed to be a role model, a grandmother, a strong Christian. Ọmọ Kérúbù Séráfù ni mí. Ọmọ Mósè Orímọládé tún ọ̀la ṣe. I am ashamed of you that you can come for me that way at your age. Ẹ dẹ̀ ní ọmọ yín, ẹ dẹ̀ ní àwọn ọmọ yín. Ṣé ẹ̀yin ẹ gbàdúrà irú ẹ̀ fún àwọn ọmọ yín àti ọmọ yín? Ìbá jẹ́ tí ìwọ ni, ìwọ ìbá ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. Must you talk, Mama Rainbow? I am going through a lot already. I am hanging on. I only rely on my God. Ọlọ́run mi ni mo fẹ̀yìntì. Òun dẹ̀ ni mo gbójúlé. Nítorí pé àwọn tó le ju ẹ̀rọ tó le ju fẹ́rẹ̀ wo bó ṣe end. Ọba Nebukadnezar gan, ó ṣe bí ẹranko. How can you? Nǹkan tí ò ṣe ojú yín, ẹ pera yín lágbàlagbà. Nǹkan tí ò ṣe ojú yín, I've never seen this kind of thing before. Fine, people are doing it. Trolls are doing it. Young people are doing it. You are an adult who called me, who asked for explanation. In fact, you are a grandma. Why am I calling you an adult? You are no longer an adult. You are an elderly woman. You should know better. You collected my home address for what? to be sharing it among people, to be gossiping behind my back. I never said a word. Then you went online to go and say it again. Do you think I'm afraid of you? Mama Rainbow, I am not afraid of you. You are not worthy for the respect for you as a grandma. You are not worthy of it. I, Princess Oluwadamilola, I will stand for my child till the end. I will stand for all the other victims. I will stand for anybody that has been molested or defiled. You, Mama Rainbow, what do you stand for? Appearing in all Airtel adverts, acting like a grandma that I have always, since I was small, I have known you. Up until this moment, I never knew this was the kind of person you are. Iya Rainbow, wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ ṣe ni wò. Ó ṣe mí, ọ̀rọ̀ tó ṣe mí, ó jẹ́ kí n rí irú èèyàn tẹ́ jẹ́, Iya Rainbow. Mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín, ṣé ìyá ó ń ṣe báyìí sí ọmọ? Ṣé ìyá ó lè gba ìdúrà yìí fún ọmọ ẹ̀? Àdàbí tó bá jẹ́ pé mo ro ibi sí yín rí, Iya Rainbow, àbí tó bá jẹ́ pé ọjọ́ tẹ́ pè mí, even as I was down, nobody will say that when they called me, even when I was crying and I picked up my phone, even when I was shaking, even at the height of it, I took my time. I know the way Olaya Igwe was like, the way to say if you damn me alone, try. Olasco called me, Shokoti called me, ask them, pé ṣé ìgbà tó pè mí, ṣé mo sọ̀rọ̀ sí wọn bákan? Ẹ̀yin gan ni mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ jù, Iya Rainbow. Ẹ wá gba address ilé mi, ẹ ń bọ̀, ẹ máa wá rí mi, ẹ ní gbogbo bí mo ti ẹ̀ ṣe ń feel, ẹlẹ́yin gan ń gbọ̀n níbi tí àṣerọ́ lẹ̀ ń pa, ẹjọ́ ta lẹ̀ ń tàn, ṣé mi lẹ̀ ń tàn àbára yín? Òun nìyẹn o, òun ló ń lọ yẹn o. Wọ́n ní ẹni tí ò tí kù kò tí mọ orúkú tó máa pa òun. Tèmi ló dé yẹn o, ọmọ mi lọ ṣe fún. But ẹ̀yin tó yẹ kẹ́ jẹ́ ìyá, not ìyá o, not just other ìyá, tó yẹ kẹ́ jẹ́ elderly role model. Ẹ wá sọ ara yín di nǹkan tí mi ò lè máa sọ. Èmi rò pé bóyá I will get máa rí ọgbọ́n, máa ti ara yín. Ẹ mọ̀ bí mo ṣe gbé yín. Mi ò mọ̀ báwọn ọ̀dà ṣe gbé yín, but ẹ mọ̀ bí mo ṣe gbé yín. Mi ò rí yín as an actress. Iya Rainbow, I never saw you as a mother. Ever since I never saw you as a mother or as an actress. I saw you as an icon. As an icon, as a force to reckon with. And the moment I even found out that you are affiliated to Cherubim and Seraphim, I respected you more. But you came out to torture me psychologically just because my child was raped. Going around saying what you don't even know. Nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe yìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wọ́n, bẹ́ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run á wọ́n padà fún yín bẹ́ẹ̀ àti ẹ̀yin àtàwọn ọmọ yín àtàwọn ọmọ yín. Gbogbo irọ́ tẹ́ pa tẹ́ ń sọ̀rọ̀. Àgbàlagbà ni mi ò expect sí yín rárá. Ẹjọ́ kí lẹ fẹ́ gain? Mo béèrè wò. Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ gain? To what end? To what end? I'm asking you. On the Niensi want to release it. One low sack èmi á sápamọ́ fún tani. Fún tani ẹjọ́. Fún tani, if you don't believe, if you don't stand for something, you fall for everything. I'm standing for the right of my child. Ẹjọ́ Iya Rainbow, what do you stand for? You stand for lies, for deceit, for oppression, for using your older or elderly status to rubbish people, to intimidate me. Who put you so high? I connected. I thought I connected with you. Even the day Esabod was talking to me, Mama Esabod, I was telling her that Mama Rainbow even called me. But if you see the way she was shaking on, I didn't know you were pretending. Mi ò mọ̀ pé ń pretend. Àṣé ẹlẹ́tàn ni, àṣé báyìí lẹ rí. Ọlọ́fà náà sọ náà bó ṣe dàgbà tó. Wọ́n tún sọ ẹjọ́ bá palẹ̀kùndé. Wọ́n tún sọ reporter yẹn béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́fà náà pé ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ pé ọmọdé ni wọ́n sọ pé wọ́n ní irọ́ nìyẹn. Àwọn àgbàlagbà tó yẹ ká bá ní anyway orúkọ wọn ti sọ ẹni tó bá tiẹ̀ ti ta ọfà iná sọmọ lọ́mọ ọfà ìdà iná ń padà bọ̀ lórí wọn. Àgbàlagbà ni yín, nǹkan tí ó bá ti ṣe ojú yín kò yẹ kẹ́ máa sọ. Not even in this kind of case. No. I purposely kept quiet because I figured whatever happens, the truth will prevail. Then you, Iya Rainbow, you think because of the way I put you, you can use the opportunity to victimize my family more, to victimize me more. How do you think my child feels? Because that day you were on speaker, people were here All of them were saying, Mama Rainbow, Abiyamo ni won, Shebeyan ni. How do you feel that she felt this evening? Big Bobo Asheri. Thierry, I didn't go to the internet. Ni pe láti lọ wo anything. Ẹ wá sọra yín di, ẹ ń sọra yín di. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé téèyàn bá dàgbà. Ṣé èèyàn ti di òòṣà tó yẹ pé àti bí gbogbo ibi tó bá ti ń ṣẹlẹ̀, ẹ̀yin ló máa bá band ẹ̀. It's so painful and disappointing.